kamień. Ja nie mam miejsca do ekwipunku.
Nie mam miejsca.
Zależy na kilo już.
Za
Biedula.
Republikę.
Czy ktoś rzekł?
Republikę!
Nie, to jest oszust. Nie to jest oszust.
Mógłbym wziąć, ale to kamer bym potrzebował, bo jeszcze się przypalę. Lepiej nie.
No nie, ale to jest takie wizualne, ta trapa. Kupiłem za 1000.
Bo trapa to pani. Ja rozumiem, że mam morale podnosić, ale
Co?
co pan?
Nie było,
O cholera.
nie było coś, ile stałe.
Ale kamień jeszcze.
Coś poleciało. Nie, ja mam czerwone napisy.
Niech tu
Ja
pan
mam czerwone
weźmie.
napisy,
Prezent.
nie widzę co leci.
Nie no, zachowaj, że...
Nie, nie aktualizowane meczki.
Nie chcę, tylko mi miejsce zajmuje.
And so I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed just to get it out of what's in my head. And I feel it, a little peculiar. And so I wake in the
Darth Maul? What's he gonna do? Bleed all over us? Take down the traitor. There's Dooku. After him. Count Dooku. Dooku. Careful of his blades. Get Dooku. It's Dooku. Look out. He's deceptively spry. Surround the Jedi. Take down the Jedi. Flank the Jedi and take him down. Watch out for those lightsabers. Don't let the Jedi get too close. Yusa going down. Gungans! Pick off that Gungan! Gungan! Take him down! After that Gungan, shoot a Gungan and watch him flop. Focus your weapons on the Naboo! Take down the Naboo guard! Naboo guard! Take him down! Take out that guard! They're not so tough! Take down that guard! Charge! Yaw! Yaw! This does not look good. No! Ah! Oh no. Hold on. I need to fix that vehicle. Let me take a look at that vehicle. Repairing vehicle. Go, go, go! Okay, vehicle's a go. Finished with repairs. Vehicle's a go. This turret needs fixing. I'll fix this turret up right. Fixing turret. Turret is ready to go. Turret is 100% operational. Repairs complete. For the Chancellor! Oof! Dark Trooper overhead! Flying Trooper! Ground him! We've got Dark Troopers! Look to the skies! Dark Trooper in the sky! Trooper in the sky! With diamonds! Stormtrooper! Trooper! Take down the traitors. Stormtrooper, take them down! Continue the forward assault! They're flanking us! Watch your flanks! Watch your sides! They're coming around! Cut them off! You've got a clear shot! Take down that walker! Stop that walker! That ATST is coming down! Take the shot now! ATST incoming! Walker coming this way! They're using walkers! ATST, ready yourself! ATST, go for the weak spot! ATSTs? I thought those were against the rules! You've got a clear shot! Take out that tank! Go for the tank! Stop that tank! TX-130T, take it down! Take out that tank now! Tank! We've got TX-130Ts coming! Engage the TX-130T! Take out that tank! They're using tanks! Take out that interceptor! We've got interceptors! TIE interceptor incoming! Interceptor, take him out! Take down that interceptor! You've got an interceptor on your tail! TIE interceptor, behind you! Interceptor on your 6! Shake that interceptor! You've got a TIE interceptor chasing you! Take down that bomber! TIE bomber, take him down! Finish off that bomber! Take out that bomber! Chase down that bomber! TIE bomber on your tail! You've picked up a bomber! You got a bomber on your back! TIE bomber behind! Take evasive action! Bomber right behind you! Take out that fighter! TIE fighter! Chase him down! TIE fighter! Take him down! We've got fighters! Engage that fighter! TIE fighter on your tail! TIE fighter sneaking up behind you! You've picked up a fighter! You've got a fighter on your tail! TIE fighter, behind! Take out that landing party! They're trying to land their troops! Don't let that Imperial shuttle land! Take down that shuttle! Imperial shuttle, take it out! Enemies down! We're gaining on them! Good throw! That's the way it's done! Keep up the assault! Boom! We're taking heavy fire! We're losing ground! There's too many of them! We're taking heavy casualties! We're outnumbered! Great shooting, trooper! Set 'em up and knock 'em down! Looks like you got this down! Yeah, now you got it! Now that's how it's done! It's a good thing you're on our side! I've lost count. How many does that make? They just don't learn, do they? Man, you're on fire! Keep going! Keep going! Good shot! One shot, one kill. Just like the simulation. Efficient. Bullseye! Bye-bye. Grenade! 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 Take cover! Grenade! Get down! Incoming! Grenade! Take cover! Look out! Get down! Rocket! Sniper! 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 Get down! Sniper fire! We've got a sniper! Take out that sniper! Check your fire! Knock it off! Friendly fire! Watch your fire! Save it for the enemy! Ow! Was it something I said? Watch your fire, you stupid clone! And don't get up. Yeah, yeah! That's right! How does that feel? Not so tough now. And this, my friend, is what we call a double tap. Stop looking at me! Ugh! I'm hit! Ah! Medic! Ah! Ah! Take out that turret! Turrets! Take them down! Destroy that turret! Watch for turrets! Mark that turret! We've got droidicas! Take out that destroyer droid! Droidica! Take him out! Destroyer droid! Watch yourself! Droidica! Battle droids! Battle droid! Knock him down! Take out that battle droid! Battle droid! I'm on him! We've got droids! Super battle droid! Take him down! They've sent in the supers! Watch those wrist rockets! Bigger they are, the harder they fall. Take out that super! Frellin' heck, it's a super! We've got staps. Swat down that gnat. Someone take out that buzzer. Take down that Stap. Stap, take him out. Tank! We've got AATs coming. Engage the AAT. Take out that tank. Eliminate the AAT. You got a clear shot. Take out that tank. Stop wasting time and take out that tank. Stop that tank. TX-130T, take it down. Take out that AAT now. Hailfire droid, they've sent in the rollers. Hailfire, watch for missiles. Take out that hailfire. Concentrate on that hailfire. Take down that hailfire. You got a clear shot at that hailfire. You got him. That hailfire is going down. Hailfire, take the shot. Target that spider droid. We've got spider droids. They're using spiders. Take down that spider droid. Spider, take him down. Spider droid, take the shot. You've got a clear shot. Take down that spider. Exterminate that spider. That spider is going down. Time to cook a spider. Chase down that scout. Don't let that Tri get away. Tri-fighter, after him. Take down that Tri-fighter. Track that Tri-fighter. Tri-fighter, on your tail. Watch your tail. You picked up a Tri. You've got company. Tri-fighter right behind you. Take out that bomber. They're using bombers. Attack that bomber. Grievous, take him out. Go after that bomber. You've picked up a bomber. Grievous bomber on your tail. Watch your tail. Grievous bomber right behind you. Grievous bomber closing in behind you. Droid starfighter. Vulture in the sky. Take down that starfighter. We've got vultures. Take out that starfighter. You've got a vulture on your tail. Droid starfighter right behind you. You picked up a vulture. Vulture behind you. Don't let him get a lock. Droid starfighter, take evasive action. Stop that MAF. Take out that transport. Don't let that MAF land. MAF, take it out. They've launched a transport. Darth Vader! Vader, let's take him out. Watch that lightsaber. Vader, don't let Vader out of your sight. Everyone fire on the wheezing guy. Boba Fett. Boba Fett, this won't end well. Take down Fett. Man, he's fast. Watch those blasters. Boba Fett. Cripes, that kid grew up faster than we did. There's the Emperor. After Palpatine, take down the Emperor. Surround Palpatine. There's Palpatine. Take him down. The Emperor's joined the fray. Take him out. What's the Emperor doing here? On second thought, who cares? Kill him. There's a Royal Guardsman on the loose. Get him. One of Palpatine's elites. After the red guy, take out the guard. That guardsman's as good as dead. Everyone target the bright red armor. Take down the bounty hunter. It's Django. Watch those blasters. Django Fett. Focus your fire on Django. Django's here. Watch yourself. Django Fett's here, and he brought his head. General Grievous is here. Watch out for the arms. General Grievous. Surround Grievous. Hit him from all sides. Watch out for Grievous. Take out Grievous. Look out, it's Major Malevolence. General Grievous. Darth Maul. Watch that dual blade. It's Maul. Stay back. He can't take us all down. Darth Maul, flank him. Darth Maul? What's he gonna do, bleed all over us? Take down the traitor. There's Dooku. After him. Count Dooku. Dooku. Careful of his blades. Get Dooku. It's Dooku. Look out. He's deceptively spry. Surround the Jedi. Take down the Jedi. Flank the Jedi and take him down. Watch out for those lightsabers. Don't let the Jedi get too close. Yusa going down. Gungans. Pick off that Gungan. Gungan, take him down. After that Gungan, shoot a Gungan and watch him flop. Focus your weapons on the Naboo. Take down the Naboo guard. Naboo guard, take him down. Take out that guard. They're not so tough. Take down that guard. Charge! Hurrah! Hurrah! This does not look good. No! Ah! Oh no! Hold on, I need to fix that vehicle. Let me take a look at that vehicle. Repairing vehicle. Go, go, go! Okay, vehicle's a go. Finished with repairs. Vehicle's a go. For the Republic! For the Chancellor! Ugh. Ugh. Ah. Ugh. Ah. Hey Django, would you sign my helmet? Target the beast. Stay clear of the Acklay. Acklay, don't provoke it. Get the Womp Rat. I mean Ewok. Ewok, eliminate him. Take out the Ewok. We've got bugs. Geonosian. Flying bugs. Hit the Wookiee. Take down the Wookiee. Wookiee, shoot him. Filthy Jawas. Jawas. Who needs them? Take out that Jawa. Man, that is one ugly pig. Watch it, Gamorrean Guard. Gamorrean Guard. Take him down. Tusken Raider. Tusken Raider, take him down. Take out that Tusken. Keep your eyes on that beast. Watch out for the Acklay. Try not to anger the Acklay. Get the Ewok. It's an Ewok. Get him. Take out the Ewok. Bugs. Geos. Watch the skies. Wookiee. Take out the Wookiee. Get the Wookiee. Stinking Jawas. Jawas. Take down the Jawa. Look out. That pig could be trouble. Gamorrean Guard. Take out that Gamorrean. Tusken. It's a Raider! Get him! Take out that Raider.